Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking this video. If you like what you see, if you like what you're going to see in this video, then please go down below. It's not going to take much of your time. Click the big red subscribe button to get and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's keep watching. So first of all, I've done my brows off camera, and right now I'm priming my eyelids with my concealer. You have to try to make it even, to be able to like make sure that there's no harsh line between your brows and concealer on your eyelids. And a tip for beginners, always make sure to use like the concealer shade that is 2 shades lighter than your eye to make it more even and blend with your whole face, especially when you're doing a soft makeup or something for an everyday look. You need your whole face to be like snatched, if you get what I mean. Now I'm just repeating the same motion for the top of my brows, so your brows will look like natural and there will be no harsh lines. I'm one of those people that don't like seeing that concealer pattern on my brows. It was so hot, guys, like I was literally begging for the heat to stop. So now I'm just using my Dr. Rochelle makeup fixer to like wet my beauty sponge, and now I'm just using that to like blend the concealer into my skin so everything will be even and smooth and there'll be no like creases when I do my eye makeup. Now I'm just going to set that concealer with my powder and my fluffy brush. So you just have to like swipe in swiping motions, just light strokes. If you guys watched my previous video, I did a review on this foundation, Linkeldn Fit Me foundation. It's actually the first time I'm using it. I've seen lots of YouTubers, it's like everybody's go-to foundation, so I got this and I actually did not test the color against my skin. I just came back with it. I was so happy to have it, something of a designer brand or something like that. So I just like used it on my face and I found out that it was like lighter than my skin, but I didn't want my money to go to waste, so I just like tried it on and tried to make it work, but ended up not being so good. As you guys can see in the later part of the video, that the makeup didn't come out quite as beautiful as I thought it would, but there's nothing wrong with the foundation. It's really nice, it's really slick, like so easy to like blend and put on the skin, and as you can see, it's just easy. It's just that I made the mistake of buying the shade lighter than my skin, and I hope to buy it again someday, hopefully soon. So that time I'm going to test it, and I must get the shade that matches my skin tone. So I'm just blending the foundation into my skin, and tip for beginners: always make sure that your beauty sponge is wet, not like to the extent of being wet, but like, you know, that dewy, like your clothes is wet, but when you wring it out, is water doesn't come out, that kind of wet. Just sprinkle water on it and just wet the foam, and then you use it, and it's going to make your foundation process so much easier. Now I'm just setting my face with my finishing powder, my deluxe finishing powder in the shade dark, and I'm using my my fluffy brush to like blend everything in down to my neck. Now for the eyes, I'm using the brown shade from my Usher Professional eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using that as my crease color to use as my base for the makeup look. I was going for something very like light, very simple, very soft, and I also did not want to wear lashes, so something that would like show and still be simple, casual, without any lashes. So I did that on my eye, on my crease, and blended it out well. So beginners, always make sure that you use a brush that has like a fluffy, fluffy bristles at the end, because if you use something like very stiff, it won't actually blend on the crease perfectly, and then you have like this kind of mismatched like shadow on your eyes, and it's not going to look good. So if you really want to like get that color, get that crease, get that like perfect flawless eyeshadow look, always use especially a small size brush that has fluffy bristles at the end. I'm going into the outer corner of my eye with the darker brown shade from my eyeshadow palette, and now I'm using my finger to like lay that on the bright purple eyeshadow at the inner corner of my eyes, because I really wanted it to be soft and simple looking. So this is easy for anybody to do, beginner, intermediate, wherever you are. You can just rock this look anyhow, anytime, anywhere on the go. So yeah, I'm making sure to like get into that crease, and as you can see, there is no creasing on the eye, it's just smooth and it's blended out very well. Now I'm putting on my eyeliner. I'm using my Kiss Beauty eyebrow gel, and I'm using that to line my eyelids. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to like draw your eyeliner easily, quickly, then please put it down in the comments below, and I'll be glad to help, because I'm dedicated to like helping beginners learn how to do their makeup easily, fast, and you don't have to do like so much work or complicated anything. Just go with the flow, keep learning, and you see yourself improve over time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm concealing my under eyes, you know, to hide those eye bags, because you need your face to be looking like snatched, but also really simple. So I'm using a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, just as I used on my eye before my eye makeup, and I'm making sure to like go like making a V and a V. Yeah, a V. And then now I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose. So sorry guys, I lost the footage of the remaining part of the makeup, but all I did was just to use my beauty sponge to like blend in the concealer. Then I just put on powder because I couldn't be bothered setting my face at that point. and yeah, and that's all I did. Then sprayed myself with my face with some setting spray to like set in the makeup, and here I am doing my hair, getting everything ready for you guys to see the finished look. And as you can see, the foundation was not really a good match for my face at this point, but I've already put on the makeup and I could not just come and start wiping it off. And besides, I wanted to show you guys how important it is to like always choose the right foundation shade for your skin tone. And yeah, I just highlighted the bridge of my nose and the top of my cheeks to just add a little bit of glow to the look, because I think I was looking like a little bit plain, and since I'm going to be going out, I needed the glow. And as you can see, the heat was too much. I don't even know what was happening at this point. I just felt like scrubbing my whole face off, but hopefully the makeup came out okay, although I was looking sweaty and I apologize for that. But this is the makeup look, and the lower part of my face looks as if I wiped it off because of the heat. I'm so sorry about that, but just look at it at this perspective, that the makeup is still looking great, it's still looking good, the foundation is okay, it's just that it was lighter than my skin tone. So yeah, this is the makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more, keep coming back for more, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you would love to see more from me, just please subscribe, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my other one. Thank you, bye, love you all, and I hope you guys tried this look and you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.